Hi, Ray Burke with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. We're bringing you scenes from our recent cleaning of the Florida Department of Environmental Protection. This particular building is the Bob Martinez Center and its adjoining laboratory. This project was completed in the spring of 2018. As you can probably see from these photographs, the Bob Martinez Center was suffering from a lot of deferred maintenance. There were years of algae and mildew buildup that we removed. This biological growth really couldn't just be pressure washed off. That would not provide acceptable results. We needed to find a good chemical type cleaning solution to actually kill this biological growth, but would still be safe for the environment. Large-scale buildings such as this with unique cleaning challenges require specialized equipment, and Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning has such equipment that can complete this job in an expeditious and timely manner. We were very proud to be selected to work on the Department of Environmental Protection, and we feel this honor speaks volumes about the quality of the work from Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. This wasn't just a simple job. We had multiple lifts involved. We had to submit cleaning plans, safety data sheets for all of the chemicals that we used, wash water control plans, and a variety of different insurances that were required on this building. We're actually very happy to report that since the conclusion of this project, the Department of Environmental Protection and Management Services was so happy with our work that we were invited to bid on 2 additional buildings for DEP, and we won both of those projects as well and completed them with the same stellar results. Hey, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We're so very proud to show off this project, which we consider to be one of our crowning achievements in our long career at Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning. Remember, whenever you have cleaning needs from 1,000 foot to 1,000,000 square feet, give Spray Wash Exterior a call. We'd be happy to come out and look at your project and provide you a cleaning plan that will provide you fantastic results. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and wash on.